Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 15, that is some natural phenomena. इस वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। Select the correct option in question 1 and 2. It means question 1 or 2 MCQ है। So question 1, which of the following cannot be charged easily by friction? First option, a plastic scale. Second option, a copper rod. Third option, an inflated balloon. Fourth option, a woolen cloth. Answer will be a copper rod. Next question, this is also MCQ. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the rod, first option, and the cloth both acquire positive charge. Second option, becomes positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge. Third option, and the cloth both acquire negative charge. Fourth option, becomes negatively charged while the cloth has a positive charge. Answer will be becomes positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge. Next question, write true against true and false against false in the following statements. So first statement is like charges attract each other. This statement is false. मैं false statement को करेक्ट करके भी बता रही हूँ क्योंकि कभी-कभी एग्जाम में false statement को करेक्ट करके लिखने के लिए कहा जाता है. So correct statement is like charges repel each other. Next statement, a charged glass rod attracts a charged plastic straw. This statement is true. Next statement, lightning conductor cannot protect a building from lightning. This statement is false. And correct statement, lightning conductor cannot protect by earthing the charge. Next statement, earthquakes can be predicted in advance. This statement is true. Now next question, sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters. Explain. It means कभी-कभी सर्दियों के दौरान स्वेटर उतारते समय एक क्रैकलिंग साउंड सुनाई देता है. एक्सप्लेन करें. Answer, a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters because our body and sweater have opposite charges, and when the charge of the body and sweater meet, that produces small streaks of light and crackling sound. Next question, explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. It means charged body को छूने पर वो अपना चार्ज क्यों खो देता है. एक्सप्लेन करें. आंसर, ह्यूमन बॉडी इज अ कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. व्हेन वी टच द चार्ज बॉडी विद आवर हैंड, द चार्ज ऑफ द चार्ज्ड बॉडी passes to the earth through our body. Thus the charged body loses its charge. Next question, name the scale on which the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured. An earthquake measures 3 on this scale. Would it be recorded by a seismograph? Is it likely to the cause much damage? It means उस स्केल का नाम बताइए जिससे अर्थक्वेक के डिस्ट्रक्टिव एनर्जी को मेजर किया जाता है. इस स्केल पर अर्थक्वेक का मेजरमेंट 3 है. क्या यह सिस्मोग्राफ से मेजर किया जाएगा? एंड लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, क्या इससे ज्यादा नुकसान होने की संभावना है? आंसर, रिक्टर स्केल इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द डिस्ट्रक्टिव एनर्जी ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक. Second part of the answer, yes, it would be recorded by the seismograph. And last part of the answer, no, it is not likely to cause much damage. Next question, suggest 3 measures to protect ourselves from lightning. It means अपने आप को lightning से बचाने के लिए 3 सुझाव दे. Answer, 3 suggestions are, first suggestion, if you are traveling by a car or bus, close the windows and doors. Second suggestion, if in a forest, take shelter under a shorter tree. Third suggestion, bathing should be avoided during lightning to avoid contact with running water. Next question, explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. It means एक चार्ज बैलून दूसरे चार्ज बैलून से रिपेल होता है जबकि एक चार्ज बैलून दूसरे अनचार्ज बैलून से अट्रैक्ट होता है. एक्सप्लेन करें. Answer, a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon because like charges repel each other while unlike charges attract each other. Next question, describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. इट मीन्स एक डायग्राम की सहायता से चार्ज बॉडी को पता करने के लिए इंस्ट्रूमेंट को समझाए। आंसर, दिस इज द डायग्राम। An explanation, aluminum foil strips receive the same charge from the charge refill through the paper clip. The strips carrying the same charge repel each other. They become wide open. Widening of the aluminum strips indicate that the body is charged. If the strip does not widen by touching the object to a paper clip, it indicates that the body is not charged. Next question. List 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. It means इंडिया के उन 3 स्टेट्स की लिस्ट तैयार करें जहां अर्थक्वेक आने की संभावना ज्यादा है। आंसर, कश्मीर, गुजरात, राजस्थान आर द स्टेट्स इन इंडिया वेयर अर्थक्वेक्स आर मोर लाइकली टू स्ट्राइक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सपोज यू आर आउटसाइड योर होम एंड एन अर्थक्वेक स्ट्राइक्स, व्हाट प्रिकॉशन वुड यू टेक टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ? इट मींस मान लीजिए कि आप अपने घर से बाहर हैं और अर्थक्वेक होता है, आप अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए क्या सावधानी बरतेंगे? आंसर, द प्रिकॉशंस आर एज फॉलोज। फर्स्ट प्रिकॉशन, इफ यू आर इन अ कार और अ बस, you should not come out and ask the driver to drive slowly to an open space. Next precaution, we should remain away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Next precaution, we should move to an open space. Next question, this is last question, question number 12. The weather department has predicted that a thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Suppose you have to go out on that day. It means मौसम विभाग ने प्रेडिक्ट किया है, यानी कि भविष्यवाणी की है कि एक निश्चित डेट पर आंधी आने की संभावना है। मान लीजिए आपको उस दिन बाहर जाना है, तो क्या आप छाता ले जाएंगे? एक्सप्लेन करें। आंसर, नो, वी विल नॉट कैरी एन अम्ब्रेला बिकॉज some part of the umbrella is made up of metal and electricity can pass through it and it may be dangerous for us. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।